This is a tutorial of media.paper for teachers. It'll teach you how to easily share MDP through your Dropbox. Once your students get your MDP's link, you can share your new MDP just by updating your file on Dropbox, and it will not change the link. First of all, the teacher needs to upload a MDP file. The drives on the cloud will generate a link for it. Then the teacher share that link via email or other ways. Once the link is imported, the students can load the MDP just by one click. If the teacher updates the file, the link will not change. However, adding the same file after deleting it will break the link. This time, the students just click on the button to get a new MDP. First of all, let's look at how a student should do. First, please launch this app. And then tap this wrench icon to open the sub-window for settings. Then click on any link. You will change the original daily sample link. Click this button to add a new link. To modify and delete a link, click one of these two buttons. Thereafter, as soon as the students click this button, the latest MDP will be loaded. Now, introducing how a teacher to get a link from Dropbox. For iMac, you can obtain it by the Finder. For Windows, it can also be obtained by the File Explorer. Yeah, it is easy for Dropbox. How about Google Drive? First, open its URL with a browser. Pick a file. Click this button to create a link. Copy a link in an open window. Share it to the students. The operation is similar for OneDrive. First, using the browser to open its web page. Select a file. Click Embed button instead of Link button. Very important. Take only the src value of the iframe in the bounce pane. Share this link to the students. And then there's the demonstration. Launch this app media.paper as a student side. The files for the test, put them in the temp folder. Open Dropbox's folder to share MDP files. Zoom in, this is Dropbox's directory. The MDP file I want to share is randomly named test MDP. JSON. Let me share the MDP of the song, What Makes You Beautiful. After copying, change the name of the file you want to share, i.e., test MDP. JSON. Drag this file directly to your Dropbox folder. After clicking the right mouse button, copy its link ready to share. Now, to transfer the link to the student side. The value of this link is https://www.dropbox.com. On the student side, clicking the wrench icon at first. Add this link and I named it Dropbox. Paste the link. Click on the link to change the link of daily sample. Click this button to get the MDP of the song I just shared. Change the song. This time, let me share the song Amazing Grace. Rename it after duplicating it, then drag it to Dropbox. Please select Replace File. Click this button and you'll get the new video's MDP. It means that the teacher will only have to tell the students that there are new teaching materials. The students can obtain it just by one click. Thanks for watching.